because beyond Hankar, and Satyanarayana has also described this, I've heard from him. Beyond Hankar is a chitta. The chitta is containing all the sanskaras. So the prabdha karmas are there, or the aprabdha karmas, the kutam, bijam. So somehow that is like it's like a cloud. Everyone stores some back up their information on the cloud. So all our information from many lifetimes is stored in the chitta, and the chitta is going with us. Because the subtle body, it's kind of like, imagine like the chitta is like a tractor is going down the street with a trolley. And then some kids come by with a bicycle and they hold on to the back of the tractor, the trolley. And they don't have to pedal, they can just go fast as the tractor. So the chitta is a trolley, and then riding the bicycles, hanging on the chitta is the hankar, buddhi, it's the hankar, buddhi, and man. And then when the soul leaves his body, it goes with the chitta, it goes with the pran.
Prana also?
Yeah, the prana is the wings of the chitta. The wings of the chitta is the prana. So that, this is just analogies to give you some idea. So then, what's left is just the five elements, and earth and all that. Earth goes into the earth, the water goes into the water, the calm goes into the calm, and the fire goes into the fire. That's why when they cremate, everything is accomplished. Because if you just bury in the ground, the worms eat and whatever, then the body you're not offering your body back to the elements. So when you burn, then the water of your body gets evaporated, goes back to the water. Then the fire in your stomach merges with the fire, and then it ends up with ashes, and ashes goes to the earth. So this cremation is all about, because our body is made of all these five elements. So then we get cremated, then it's all the elements are going back. So the consciousness is that's why Prabhupada said that the soul is floating on the life airs above the heart. There's some analogy like that they say over here, like that. On the Pancha Pran, the soul is just floating on the Pancha Pran.